In order to directly apply using the university's direct entry system, you must first click on this link. You will then be asked to log in, however you must first create a login ID and PIN by clicking here. Once created, you can then log in. You will then be greeted by this page when you first log in. On this page, the application type you will select will be undergrad part-time. You will then be asked for the following details: your admission term, your name, middle name and last name. You will then be asked to fill out the following sections. Under name, please fill out all the following fields. Under program choice, please click the following option. Once you have chosen this option, then fill out the following fields. In this section, make sure to read through the instructions provided to you and then fill out the following fields. After this, you will then be asked some more personal details along with country information. Please read through all the instructions in each section and fill out the fields. When filling out the following section, please ensure that you've included all GCSE subjects along with the grade you received, as well as all A-level subjects along with the grade you received or the grade that you're predicted to receive. You will then be asked for your employment details and your funding details. Please make sure to read all the instructions when filling out these fields. In this section, you will be asked to enter your personal statements and the referees you have chosen. When you've filled these details out, please ensure to read the following statement below and indicate your agreement. If you do not do so, your application will not be processed. Once you've filled out all the previous sections, the final section will be used to confirm your application. To do this, you must enter a value of 0 in the following field. After this, please read the data protection statement displayed in the help section above and then confirm that you understand and accept it. Once you have filled out all of the sections and are ready to submit your application, click on Application is complete to submit your application.